Another key factor with action research methods, we have the traditional interview. So this is one-on-one with the action researcher and the candidate, okay? Usually within a controlled environment, okay? Usually one-on-one, of course. And the benefits here is where the interviewer can ask rich questions or rephrase questions if a candidate needs clarity. So it's a great opportunity for learners to answer within detail, okay, to give their own opinions. And of course, learners may enjoy sharing their thoughts and experiences when answering those questions. So lots of rich data there. Of course, interviews can be video recorded and also audio recorded as well. In terms of some of the limitations with using interviews as an action research method, well, of course, they can be time consuming. So you as the action researcher need to put a lot of time aside in order to conduct many different interviews. Furthermore, the learner or candidate might change their answer, their opinion to suit the interviewer. So of course they might sort of change their answer, even to perhaps not hurt the interviewer's feelings as well. So we just need to be mindful that our questions are objective here. Our next key assessment method with action research is photos. So of course, as an action researcher, you can take photos during the investigation, okay? So once again, they can be used to promote authenticity. They can be presented to perhaps line managers, of course, and they can also be used as a reference point when looking back at the report as well. So you can say what behaviours occurred during this point, and they're fantastic for promoting evidence, of course. In terms of limitations, we of course need to gain permission from the learner or candidate, especially when using photos, of course. And you can also take your attention away from what is being observed, okay? You might be worrying about getting a number of photos within the assessment or action research project. So your focus as a researcher is taken away from what is being seen. Our final assessment method is observations, okay? It's a simple method of data collection here, okay? So it's you taking a step back and observing perhaps a learner, or it could be a class, okay? And you can see learners in their natural working role. So it does promote authenticity here, okay? But just to be mindful, the candidate might suffer from nerves as they know that they're being watched, okay? It could be quite a time-consuming process, can observations. And it also involves lots of administration with booking in observations, of course, perhaps writing up an observation report. So we need to be mindful of all of those considerations here. So once again, these are the next observation interviews and also photos. So we'd like for you, in your own words, to write up these assessment methods.